Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaction, opinion itong post ng The Political Blogger 48 minutes ago. Title, Batman and Robin Show Unmasked. So, tungkol ito sa pahayag ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. Bago siya lumipad pauwi sa Pilipinas, galing sa India, nagbigay siya ng pahayag tungkol sa impeachment case ni VP Sara. Okay. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. couldn't hold back and revealed his bias on the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte that was nullified by the Supreme Court and subsequently archived by the Senate. In a pre-departure interview before he flew home last night from his visit to India, Marcos Jr. took the effort to explain that the guilt or innocence of VP Sara was not dwelled upon in the Supreme Court decision. Ito ang exact statement ng Pangulo. We have to make very, very clear to everyone that the Supreme Court decision does not have any bearing on the rightness or wrongness in the impeachment case. Accountability doesn't come into it here, Marcos Jr. said. The merits of the case were not examined by the Supreme Court. This does not decide the merits of the case. It just talk about the procedure. So, ako, nung nabasa ko rin yun sa mga post, sabi ko, hala, medyo gumanon ako. Merong naglaro sa aking isip na parang hindi maganda. Hanggang ito, nabasa ko itong post ni political blogger na sinasabi ni political blogger, lumabas ang pagiging bias ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Lumabas yung yung kagustuhan niya na parang matuloy. Ito ang sinasabi ni political blogger. This statement revealed what was deep in his heart to see VP Sara tried and convicted on the trump-up charges made by his first cousin, House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Kaya nga, sabi niya is palabas lang. Okay? Ito. May maganda siyang statement sa yun daw payag ng Pangulo na in-emphasize niya na hindi naabsuelto si VP Sara. Alam na yun ng taong bayan. Ang magandang pakinggan is ganito sana, sabi ni political blogger. The Supreme Court has spoken. The Senate has spoken. So be it. Let's respect and obey. Ganun sana. Kaya lang, ang in-emphasize ng Pangulo ay, wala, let's make it very clear. Hindi na absuelto si VP Sara. Procedure lang pinag-usapan. So, anong nakikita dito? Lumalabas, according to political blogger, na gustong matuloy ng Pangulo ang trial at makonvict. Yon ang sinasabi dito. He's going the extra mile to say he had nothing to do with ill. Kasi nung una, dumidistansya ang Pangulo na wala akong, nung una pa nga sabi, ayoko yan. I'm against impeachment. Dahil hindi nakakatulong sa ni isang pamilyang Pilipino. Kaya lang, February 5, mismo anak niya ang unang pumirma. Tapos, election. Bago mag-election, May 12, sinasabi niya, wala akong pakialam dyan, sila-sila lang, basta ayoko na impeachment. Naniwala ba ang taong bayan? Hindi. Kasi nga, according to Congressman Toby Chanco, Ang rason na bakit sila natalo is dahil sa pinilit inapura nga impeachment case laban kay BP Sara at nadagdagan pa yung extraordinary rendition or pagkidnap kay PRRD papuntang The Hague, Netherlands. So, palaging dumidistansya ang Pangulo, palaging wala kaming kinalaman dyan. Kaya lang, yung salita niya, doon mo makikita, according to political blogger, na DP Nisart gusto niyang matuloy, ma-impeach, matanggal si BP Sara. Okay, so, that he had to justify that the nullification of the impeachment complaint did not dwell on the merits of the charges against BP Sara is a giveaway of his true sentiments. There was no need for him to say that. All that he needed to say that was the Supreme Court had spoken, and the Senate rightfully executed the decision and say that this is the true essence of checks and balance in a functioning democracy. Yun sana ang magandang pakinggan. Kailang hindi niya sinabi. Iba ang in-emphasize niya. So, kung ano yung lumalabas sa iyong bunganga, yun ang laman ng iyong puso. Marcos, sabi dito, only reaffirmed that this whole episode was a Batman and Robin act between him and Romualdez. So, sino si Batman? Sino si Robin? Bahala na kayo. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Elson Ogario, not just a Batman and Robin act, but a dance with the devils and the vampires to satisfy their lust for blood and possibly be crowned the next queen waiting to be king. Felipe Diazes, si Robin is BBM, si Batman is Tambi. Oh, nabaliktad. Ben Gatchalian, magpinsan nga talaga kayo. Rico Badilla, it takes two to tango. Rick Borja, Bonnie, and Clyde. Anyway, water under the bridge na yan. Ang hintayin na lang natin ang desisyon ng Supreme Court sa motion for reconsideration. But according to Senator Marcoleta, parang imposible na daw na yung unanimous decision ng Supreme Court na grounded on unconstitutionality, grounded on void ab initio, grounded on violation of due process, imposibleng babaliktarin ng Korte Suprema ang kanilang unanimous decision. Kaya salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talantig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong natin sa tribo. Excuse me. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng livelihood assistance sa kanila, nagpapatanim ng saging lakatan at Arabica coffee.